What's up, you guys? It's your boy PokaTech, and today we'll be opening up the EX Sandstorm vintage Pokemon pack. We have 5 of these heavy bad boys. So yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, on to our first pack. We have the EX, should be 5 should be our hit, straight to the hit. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the Armaldo is our holographic, the main header from the series, and you can also get, I believe, the EX cards. But so far it is a Armaldo. Look at that holo, very nice. On to the next one. Okay, on to our next vintage pack of the EX Sandstorms. Okay, so it should be 5 or 5. Okay, on to the pull. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have the Dusclops holographic boys. Very nice. Look at the shine. Love it. On to our next EX Sandstorm, a booster pack. Chasing. These are all heavy, you guys, because they are expensive. We are chasing. So it is, I believe, the 5th. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the Cacturn is the holo hits. Very nice. Look at the shine, boys. Look at the shine. Woo! Alrighty, on to our next EX Sandstorm booster pack. Let's see. It is. Come on, straight to the hit. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Another fossil big hitter with the shine, my boys. Woo! Very nice. Alrighty, guys, on to our last EX Sandstorm booster pack. Let's see what we can get out of our final one. Alrighty, come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, followed by the shift ray, and we have a swirl. A swirl right there. Very nice. Can't ask for nothing more. Didn't get nothing too crazy, but with the heavy packs and all the holos, you get what you get. Can't be mad. Yes, been your boy PokaTech. See you on the next one.